trips over to the near side. Underneath. It's available. Good grab. And good yardage. Looking into the flat. Here comes the heat. And can he escape? No, and he loses the football. Saints get it back. Pressure paid off. That's been the story of the preseason for the Saints, though.
How about this defense? They've been put in difficult situations. The only reason Baltimore has 7 points is because they had to convert on fourth down. And they come up with a turnover. Yeah. John Hughes in the middle of this play just bull rushes his way right through the center, and then that's Al-Quadin Muhammad for the strip and Anyamata. So this defense is getting after it, even though they're in a difficult spot. Not to mention Zutaw's the center right there. He's a seasoned vet.
Lampman into the game. Bobbled snap. Daniel resourceful. Now behind in a low throw. What about the grab? Yes. Great hands by Cadet. Looked like there was any way he could come up with this.
Well, first the ability for Chase to get out of the pocket, and then look at that catch.
Great play.
Unreal. Unreal.
Got to think end zone. So does Daniel. Touchdown! Josh Hill. Morstead into punt. Once again, Keenan Reynolds waits. Thomas gets into this one. And no fair catch. Ball's free. Saints should have it, and do they? Yes.
There's the play that Sean Payton was asking for earlier in the week.
Well, as a gunner, if you only have one guy over top of you, you have to win, and Millette does in a big way. First one down, times it up perfectly, gets his hand on the ball, and recovers it. Big play by Millette. Ability to create in space it's unique, it's special.
It'll be Nassib on first down for his own 11. And little shove there, and it worked. That's Doral. Former LSU Tiger with the first down. The guy that blocked it never left the ground. Now this is going to be a 48-yard try. Another low-line drive. It'll work this time. Well, Lutz just hit a 48-yard field goal. And he's got him. Good grab. That's Cadet out of the backfield, and he gets to the sideline to stop the clock at the 36.